Hi all, this side Vasu Rastogi, Regional Business Manager from Delhi. I hope that you all are safe and doing well, and the same time you are utilizing this time to hone up your skills and competency. Friends, today I have with me my team member Gaurav, Nitin, Sanjeev, Gausia and Arpit. Those are going to share some important and innovative ideas how you can utilize this important time to hone up your skills and competency. Believe me, friends, this idea actually they have tried and tested and implemented in their day-to-day life, and they have learned a lot. So these ideas may be beneficial for you. So I'm going to hand over to Nitin to start sharing some innovative ideas to you.
Hello friends, I am Nitin Narang, Senior TB based at Delhi Headquarter Cardiovascular Team. This new world and new beginning has given us an opportunity to get more digitalized in executing virtual scientific meetings. Simultaneously, we have also learned about things to do before, during, and after the meetings to assure more productive and quality class meetings. So let me call my colleague Gaurav Tyagi, who will share with you all some of the key checklist points while executing these digital meetings.
Thanks a lot, Nitin, for inviting me. Hi, all friends and my seniors. I am Gaurav Tyagi from ATHF Team Delhi. As you all know, COVID-19 outbreak forced everyone to a new normal. So it's a new world with new beginning. So in this new world, we as a team decide some guidelines to ensure quality class of digital meetings. So we have divided these guidelines into three parts: before the meetings, at the time of meetings, and after the meetings. So before the meeting, first make a plan at least 1 month in advance based on the audience need and select speaker from the speaker pool list. In discussion with FLM and MSL, coordinate with other Novartis colleagues and prepare invitee list in prescribed format. Coordinate with all speakers well in advance and inform them about the meeting details like slide, topic, date and mode of meeting. Ensure link get generated well in advance and circulate to all the audience at least 24 hours before the event date through the mail. Do a speaker briefing 1 day prior to the event about web meeting procedures. Synchronization among Novartis colleagues by deciding who will join and decide task who will do what. For example, slide control, audience follow up and speaker follow up. So at the time of on the day of meeting, all ask all the speaker to join meeting at least 30 minutes before starting the event. Ask all the speakers to be available in network place. If possible, to do a trial run of meeting to check video, sound, network and other nitty-gritty things are okay. Two Novartis associates should be ready with slide deck. In case of any issue, other associate may share slide immediately. Take a note of important discussion during the meeting. So after the meeting, contact to all faculty members to thank them for attending the meeting and send feedback about the meeting. Share invitee list with the Novartis associates so they can tell about their attendee SCP details. Close the event with proper documentation within 24 hours. So friends, I hope these guidelines will surely help you out. Thanks a lot.
I am Arpit from Delhi Team Vaimada. Friend, as you know, as we are entering into a new world with new beginning, also we admit that we are fighting and dealing with pandemic situation which creates so much of obstacle and challenges in everyone's daily life, but at the same time it gives a lot of opportunity as well as in learning new things, in exploring new techniques which we call as a new normal. So our team has initiated a peer learning session where each one of us has got enough opportunity to demonstrate collective learning and at the same time to hone up our presentation skills and communication skill as well. Take this opportunity to invite my colleague Sanjeev Pandey to share how these learning sessions are important in our self-development.
Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev from Delhi. It would be pleasure in thanking Novartis for providing such a great platform for growth, which is full of knowledge and content with multiple development domains. As a team, we could able to spend around 200 learning hours. Thereafter, we shared learning with each other as well. Just to share that we have learned so many things related to stress management, organizational culture, effectivity at work from home, performance review, and leading yourself, etc. So, as an outcome, we find ourselves more equipped with presentation skills. As a team, we had explored various domains which are helping us in dealing these type of situations. I am sure and believe that by continuing such good practices, we surely demonstrate win as one. I would like to invite Ms. Gozia for her experience as well. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Gausia Siddiqui, Delhi headquarter cardiovascular team. During this pandemic, we all have learned so many things, and this time we have utilized for improving our knowledge and skills. So friend, it's a new normal condition for all of us, and also the new beginning in a new world. We utilize this time as a team for improving our skills and knowledge. We did the role play session through the Disguise platform, and also for refreshing up our knowledge about the Vimada and also the disease area. We have did the practice session twice in a month. It helps us to improve our knowledge and in clinical excellence also. Thank you.